Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to reviewing a very special product, that is contact lens. These are the contact lenses. This is from Aqua color. Today I have 4 different shades of color lenses. That's all are from Aqua lenses. They sent me 4 different shades of color. First, I have icy blue. Second, dusky brown. Third, spicy grey. And fourth, mystery hazel. These 4 lenses are from aqualens. They have lots of color shades and they have power option too. This is very important. These lenses are only available in lenskart. I naturally use power lenses from Sparky. That lenses are high-end, but these lenses are only available at rupees 200. Yes, this is so much affordable for us, and this product is also so good, and I love this product, and this is so beautiful. Color lenses are so beautiful. This is mystery hazel, dusky brown, spicy grey, and this is icy blue. Now I am going to wearing these lenses. This is mystery hazel, and this is the container I get from it, and this is the lens solution. This is also from aqualens. This lens is so soft and so comfortable. If you're looking for a affordable contact lenses, so Aqua color is the best option for you. Aqua lens gifted me these 4 different shades of lens. This is not a sponsored video. Guys, hope you enjoyed my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends.